Magandang morning. Ngayong araw po ay May 28, 2024. Okay po, bago po ako magpatuloy ng pag-aaral natin o pag-share natin ng online review natin tungkol sa Civil Service Examination at saka NAPOLCOM PNP exam, gusto ko lang muna i-quote itong dalawang messages. Una po kay Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Ang sabi po niya, life's most urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Ito po yung iwanan ko ng mga kataga ni Dr. Luther King Jr. na life's most urgent question is, what are you doing for others? So ito yung gusto ko iwanan sa inyo na tutuloy-tuloy tayo mag-review ng Civil Service Exam, NAPOLCOM, PNP, even sa lit exam, sa general information at sa current events, or even sa mga entrance examination sa PNP, PMA at saka sa universities and colleges. Isa pa pong quotation. Ang sabi po ng dating Roman general in the person of Maximus, he exhorts his men in Gladiator. Remember the movie Gladiator? Ang sabi niya, what we do in life echoes in eternity. Okay? What we do in life echoes in eternity. So kung anong ginagawa nyo sa buhay nyo sa ngayon, mag-i-echo yan, babalik yan sa iyo hanggang eternity. Walang katapusan sa buhay mo. Live your life honorably and with a clean conscience before God and your fellow men. Okay? Focus your effort on worthwhile causes that will outlast your time on this planet. Sige po. Ngayon umaga, ang topic po natin dito is i-share natin yung mga naging presidente ng Pilipinas po mula ng panahon, yung kauna-unahang presidente hanggang ngayon, kung sino-sino po yun. Number 1 po, yung unang naging presidente natin is Emilio Fami Aguinaldo. First President of the Philippines on January 23, 1899. Nagtagal po yan hanggang April 1, 1944. Ang pangalawa po is Manuel Luis Quezon. Second President of the Philippines on November 4, 15, 1935 to August 1, 1944. Ang pangatlo po yan, Jose P. Laurel. Okay, third President of the Philippines on October 14, 1943 to August 17, 1945. Ang pang-apat po niyan is Sergio Osmeña, fourth President of the Philippines from August 1, 1944 to May 28, 1946. Okay po. Ang number 5, Manuel Rojas, fifth President of the Philippines from May 28, 1946 to July 4, 1946. Okay. Ang pang-anim po niyan is Elpidio Quirino, sixth President of the Philippines on April 17, 1948 to December 30, 1953. Ang pang-pito niyan is Ramon Magsaysay, the seventh President of the Philippines on December 30, 1953 hanggang March 17, 1957. Ang pang-walo po niyan, Carlos P. Garcia, the eighth President of the Philippines on March 18, 1957 to December 30, 1961. Ang pang-siyam niyan, Diosdado Macapagal, the ninth President of the Philippines from December 30, 1961 to December 30, 1965. Ang pang-sampu yan, Ferdinand E. Marcos, the 10th President of the Philippines from December 30, 1965 to June 30, 1981 hanggang po yan February 25, 1986. Okay, pang 11 po, pang 11, Corazon C. Aquino, 11th President of the Philippines on February 25, 1986 to March 25, 1986. Okay, hanggang umabot po niyan June 30, 1992. Ang pang 12, Fidel V. Ramos, the 12th President of the Philippines from June 30, 1992 to June 30, 1998. Ang pang 13 po yan, Joseph Ejercito Estrada, the 13th President of the Philippines from June 30, 1988 to January 20, 2001. Okay. Ang labing apat po, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, 14th President of the Philippines from June 20, 2001 to June 30, 2010. Ang labing lima, Benigno E. Aquino III, 15th President of the Philippines from June 30, 2010 to June 30, 2016. Ang labing anim, Rodrigo Rua Duterte, 16th President of the Philippines from June 30, 2016 to June 30, 2022. Okay, ang labing pito, okay, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. From June 30, 2022 hanggang ngayon po to the present. So yan lang po muna ang i-share natin. Sana po napulutan ninyo ng informasyon o kaalaman. Magagamit po ninyo sa Civil Service Examination this coming August 11, 2024 at saka sa PNP na Polcom Examination this coming June 30, 2024. Even po sa late exam at saka sa mga universities and colleges entrance sa PNP or sa PME sa general information. Okay po. God bless po lahat and ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.